incredible, unforgettable, and historic launch of Cameroon's official travel guide app, Tour CM Arab.
Excellence, Monsieur le ministre d'État, ministre du Tourisme et des Loisirs, Madame le secrétaire d'État au ministère du Développement humain et de l'Habitat, Mesdames et Messieurs les promoteurs du secteur, Mesdames et Messieurs les présidents des syndicats, le groupe Team Tech.
Your Excellencies, highly distinguished guests, my name is Pemoya Brian Pansui, and today I'm presenting to you the Tour Cameroon application. So GTTech, in collaboration with the Ministry of Tourism and Leisure, under the prestigious mentorship of the Minister of State, Minister of Tourism and Leisure, has developed the best digital guide app for promoting tourism in Cameroon. We have successfully brought out the beauty of Cameroon to your smartphones, so you can be easy to explore the beauty of Cameroon from any part of the country. So right now I'll be taking you through how the application works and functions, so we can be able to know how the application works on all smartphones, on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. So immediately you open the application, you sign up with just a click and you're presented with this home screen. Now this is the home screen of the application, and immediately again it's the application, you already start experiencing the beauty of Cameroon. Now, let's say I'm a tourist who is planning to visit Cameroon, or I'm already in Cameroon and I would like to explore Cameroon. How can the Tour Cameroon application help me? So the Tour Cameroon application has all the tourist sites in Cameroon classified under the different towns, making it easy for you to be able to explore tourist sites in different parts of the country. So when I click on the different towns tab, it's going to provide me with all the different towns in Cameroon, which I can choose from in order to explore the different tourist sites in Cameroon. Let's say I want to visit Bois Saint-Anastasie in Yaoundé. I will click on Yaoundé, and the app is going to present to me a list of all the tourist sites in Yaoundé. And if I click on Bois Saint-Anastasie, the app is going to provide me with information about that particular tourist site. We have information like the description, the videos, and much more. Now, every tourist who wants to visit the country definitely wants to know how to get to that particular tourist site. So the Tour Cameroon app provides you with a travel guide feature, which takes you directly from the airport to any tourist site in Cameroon. So if you click the travel guide, you're provided with a map view of your source destination and the tourist site. And when you swipe up, the app provides you the itinerary, the step-by-step guides on which you can take to get to that particular tourist site. And it also has a live travel guide feature, which with one click, when you click on the live travel guide feature, it's going to load and route and give you the best real-time guide on how you can get to that particular tourist site. Now, we all know that we move to the other features of the application, which has to talk with the hotels. We all know every tourist who is planning to get a tour trip in Cameroon definitely wants to know the hotels in which he can spend the night in case he's spending more than 1 day. Now, the Tour Cameroon application helps you find hotels in just a click. You click on the nearby hotels feature, and you provide with the category tab, which helps you to easily sort a hotel of your choice. Now, let's say I want 4-star hotels in Yaoundé around Bois Saint-Anastasie. I'll click on the 4-star hotels, and it's going to provide me with an animated list of all 4-star hotels around that particular tourist site. Now I can scroll through, and let's say if I choose a hotel like Hotel Tigre Palace, it's going to provide me with all the information about that particular hotel. You see how it's easy to explore the hotel and the different tourist sites available on the app. It's going to provide you with images, videos, the popular amenities that are available in that hotel, the contact information, and also has a travel guide feature and the user review feature, which you can read and get information about that particular hotel on the application. Now, it also helps you to be able to find restaurants. We all know every tourist that visits Cameroon or planning a tour trip to Cameroon, we definitely want to know the restaurants in which they can be able to spend time and have a decent meal. So when you click on the nearby restaurants feature, it's going to provide you with the categories of the restaurant. Do you want 1 frog restaurant, 2, or 3? You click on, let's say 3, and you see the app is going to provide you with all the restaurants that are around that particular tourist site of your choice. It's going to also provide you with all the information about that particular restaurant, as we saw for the hotels, which you can scroll through and get the information about that particular restaurant. Now we move to the other features that the app also helps you to find around the particular tourist site. We also have the nearby supermarkets, we have the user review section, and we have the useful information section. The useful information section provides you with nearby banks and nearby hospitals around that particular tourist site. So let's say I click on nearby banks, it's going to provide me with all available banks that are around that particular tourist site. So in case a tourist needs a bank or to do any monetary transactions, the app is going to help them to find that bank in just a click. Now we'll move to the other features, which has to do with the emergency contact information. Now the Tour Cameroon app also helps to find emergency contacts in case you run into any problems around the tourist site, such as the police, the ambulance, and the coronavirus information, which you can just tap to call the numbers. Now, we all know we are preparing for the African Cup of Nations, and we will have guests coming for this event. Now, how can they locate our stadiums when they come? The Tour Cameroon app has all the stadiums that the match, in which the different matches are going to be played, which a tourist can just click and will have all the information about any stadium of their choice. Let's say they click on Stade Japoma. It's going to give you all the information about Stade Japoma, like the history, and the travel guide who takes them to that particular stadium. You have the nearby hotels, nearby restaurants, nearby supermarkets, just as we display for the tourist sites. Now we'll move to the home section of the application. The application has a lot of amazing features in stock for you, which you can use to explore the beauty of Cameroon as easy as possible. Now moving to the home tab of the application, where we go to the top, we'll be able to find other amazing features like the gallery feature. Now the gallery feature is a feature that provides you with thousands of images of different tourist sites in Cameroon, which you can scroll through. It actually takes a lot of time to load, because these images are there are thousands of images which you can scroll through. And in case you see like the site that is being displayed, you want to know more about that site, you click on that particular that image, click on any of the images, and it's going to tell you where that site is located. It gives you all the information about that particular tourist site. Now we move to the home screen again of the application. The Tour Cameroon app does only help you to find hotels around a tourist site. It also helps you to find hotels around your current location and the different towns of Cameroon. So if you click on the hotels tab, it's going to ask you which towns you want to find a hotel. Is it Yaoundé? Is it Douala? Is it Boya? And if let's say you click Yaoundé, where we are currently located, and which category of hotels do you want? Do you want 5-star hotels, 4-star hotels, or 3-star? Let's say we click 4-star hotels. You see, it provides you with a list of all the hotels that are available on the 4-star rating on the application. Now we move over to the other features. You can just click to get all the information as we earlier displayed. You see, the app also helps to find restaurants around your location and all the different towns. It helps you find guest houses. And also tour agencies. We all know every tourist planning a tour trip to Cameroon definitely need an agency or a tour guide to take them around Cameroon. So the application helps you to find tour agencies in just a click. You click on the tour agency tab, and that's a sample of the tour agency, how it shows. You click on the tour agency of your choice, and it's going to provide you with all the information about that tour agency description and other important details which are very important for the tourists. Now, we move over now to the embassy feature. Every tourist coming to Cameroon definitely wants to know where their embassy is located. So in case they have any issues, they can be able to contact the embassies and get help. So if you click on the embassy feature, the app provides you the list of all embassies in Cameroon, all foreign embassies in Cameroon, which you can click on any of the embassies that are listed to get all the information about that particular embassy. And that is not all. We also have the AFCON match updates feature. We all know the games that will be played in Cameroon, and we definitely have the AFCON games update feature, which will provide you information about the matches, the upcoming matches that are going to be played. So when you click on the AFCON games update feature, it's going to provide you information about upcoming matches that are going to be played, information about the played matches. So it can be easy for you to follow up the games even if you miss the event. That is just a brief overview of the Tour Cameroon application. As I said, the application is available for download on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store in both English and French. When you open the application, you immediately ask your preferred language. And when you choose either English or French, everything will be automatically translated for you. Now that is for the application. I would like to use this opportunity to personally thank the Minister of State, Minister of Tourism. On behalf of my team, I would like to present the team. I would like them to stand up. Your Excellency, Your Excellency, this is a young and vibrant team that have been able to come up with this innovation. Your Excellency, we are grateful for the support you have been able to put through us, despite the fact that we are young people. You invested and mentored us to bring up this application, which is something that we want other stakeholders to copy the example of the Minister of State and be able to support young people to come up with innovations like this. Because the country, our country, Cameroon, will be developed by us and us alone. So Your Excellency, these are the youths that are developing the application, and we also have some gifts for the Your Excellency, to show our gratitude for this help and this mentorship they have been able to give us to come up with this great application. So I'd like the team members to come up and let's hand over the gifts to the Minister of State. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for this great
Madam Minister.
Madam Minister, thank you very much for your presence. Thank you for your support and this progress. Praise the General. We are so much support us and team in order to build this application. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much, Excellency, for this great support you have given to our people. Thanks so much. Thank you, sir, for this great gesture you have been able to give us to support this project. We are so much grateful for your presence and we appreciate your support to this project. So, just to round off, I would like to mention that all the hotels and the tour agents and the banks that will be set for the application, I just have to remove before the end of this week. Thank you. Thank you.
Merci. Thank you for presenting that application. That is going to help everyone, all those who are going to come into the country for great events that have been organized. Because just when you click on your telephone, you identify where you are and identify all the pharmacies, everything that is around you. Before we listen to the long speech by the Minister of State, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to laugh with KKK International.
Laissez-moi vous raconter l'histoire de ce stade. Et c'est ça que je raconte en partant comme ça. Vous voyez ici le premier spectateur qui achetait le premier billet au stade olympique avait des yeux rouges parce qu'il avait bu la veille. Et le premier but fut marqué par tel. Et le premier spectateur qui déclencha la première bagarre, qui s'appelait tel.
Messieurs les secrétaires généraux, les conseillers techniques, Monsieur le maire de la ville, Mesdames et Messieurs les directeurs généraux, autorités administratives et judiciaires, parlementaires, traditionnelles et religieuses, en vos rangs, grades et titres respectifs. Mesdames et Messieurs les professionnels et partenaires du secteur du tourisme et des loisirs. Mesdames et Messieurs les responsables du groupe Team Tech. Distingués invités, Mesdames et Messieurs. J'ai l'insi honneur et l'agréable devoir de prendre la parole en ce jour dans cette magnifique salle du Palais de Congrès de Yaoundé à l'occasion de la cérémonie de lancement officiel de l'application numérique mobile Tour CMR. One click is now available and downloadable online by any potential user on the platforms Google Play Store and Apple Store. It currently provides us with information on more than 145 tourist sites in Cameroon, classified in terms of location. It enables our users to obtain itineraries based on their geographical location, while orienting them step by step with the voice assistance of the Google Maps application. In addition, there is available useful information that any tourist needs in a locality, such as places to stay, leisure activities, restaurants, addresses and contacts of local law enforcement units, hospital services, banking services, and diplomatic representation, etc. As with any application, it will be constantly updated. For this reason, I call on all the actors here present, from both the public and private sectors, to continue to support this application by constantly transmitting to Mintool and to this startup the required and updated information. As far as we are concerned, any content or information entered in the database of this application must come from official and authorized sources, and the posting of any update is supervised by my ministry to ensure its authenticity and credibility. Je recommande par ailleurs à nous tous, ici rassemblés, de faire la promotion de l'utilisation de cette application dans nos aéroports, hôtels, compagnies terrestres ou aériennes de transport, agences de voyage, etc. Faisons connaître Tour CMR en invitant les uns et les autres, clients, partenaires ou visiteurs à la télécharger et l'utiliser. Je sais pouvoir compter sur l'ensemble des acteurs que vous êtes pour apporter cet accompagnement et le soutien nécessaire à la start-up Team Citec, qui partage avec nous le souci de promouvoir la destination touristique Cameroun, tant au niveau national qu'international, à travers l'application Tour CMR. Pour que vive le partenariat Mintool Team Citec, vive le tourisme et les loisirs camerounais, vive le Cameroun et son illustre chef, le président Paul Biya. Je vous remercie.
Calvino, s'il vous plaît. C'était Carl, musicien de la région du Sud. À présent, nous allons nous préparer pour la photo de famille. Nous allons demander à tous les invités de se placer devant, à l'entrée de cette salle. Et nous allons prier le ministre d'État et les autres membres du gouvernement de rester sur place. Le protocole va s'en charger. Merci d'être venu. Après la photo de famille, on aura une interview du ministre d'État. Après, on aura le cocktail préparé par le Mintool pour cet lancement, juste à ma gauche.